Your cat's not being mysterious, you're just not getting the hints. Here are 11 things your cat wishes you actually understood. 1. I don't always want to be picked up. 2. My tail says more than my meow. 3. Sudden changes really stress me out. 4. Scratching things is how I stay sharp. 5. I need shelves and climbing spots. 6. Too much petting can annoy me. 7. Clean litter boxes matter, a lot. 8. I'm not ignoring you, I'm observing. 9. I meow to talk to you. 10. I show love in quiet ways. 11. I need daily play, not just food. Cats speak softly, but they're always talking. Follow to understand your feline friend better.
Follow and subscribe PAWLOGUE for more.